there's a good one here. How long, um, more about how long a typical ClickUp onboarding process takes and what to expect for a small business. And Galanda, I think you responded to that. I'd love for you to elaborate a little bit and describe that to the audience.
Sure. So the implementation or onboarding process really depends on the size of your organization and then the complexity of what you're trying to do with ClickUp. However, at the very base level, we suggest somewhere between 25 and 30 hours. This allows for your ClickUp expert to really get to know your team, get to know what are your pain points, and then be able to create a solution that will make it more transparent, more efficient, and alleviate some of those stresses that you're having using maybe some other tools, or maybe you don't have any tool at all. And so 25 to 30 hours is our base kind of start to onboard with a ClickUp solution.